Hey guys, I'm Fuji. Welcome to the Fuji's Kitchen. Today, I'll make Yakitoridon, Japanese style skewered chicken on the rice bowl. Let's get started. Yakitori is also very popular overseas. The standard is a bite-sized piece of chicken stuffed on a skewer and grilled with a sweet and salty sauce. Yakitori sauce is called tare in Japanese. Salty taste is also popular. This time, I'll also introduce how to make yakitori sauce and grill using charcoal fire. Enjoy! First of all, cut the chicken. Chicken thighs recommended. You can make 4 to 5 yakitori with 1 piece of thigh meat. Cut into bite-sized pieces and season. 1 tablespoon sake. Sprinkle salt and pepper. Knead and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. Then cut the green onion. Use the white part of the green onion. This is also bite-sized, about 3 centimeters. Please use the green part for condiments, etc. Next, stick chicken and green onions on a skewer. Steam chicken and green onions alternately. It's called negima in Japanese. Negi means green onion, and ma means between. So, negima means between the green onions. About 3 pieces of chicken and 2 pieces of green onions is 1 yakitori. The work of sticking skewer is hard. I respect the yakitori restaurant that does this work hundreds of times every day. We have to thank the restaurant staff when we eat yakitori. Oh, of course thank the chicken. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday. Please subscribe. Next, make one of the garnishes. Break the egg in a bowl and mix. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Spread the oil all over and wipe off excess oil with kitchen paper. Add egg. The fire is low. Spread the egg very thinly over the frying pan. When the edges of the egg start to harden, turn off the heat, cover and leave for 2 to 3 minutes. When the surface of the egg hardens, gently peel it off so that it doesn't tear. Oh, okay. Spread the thin omelette on a cutting board. Cut off the edges to make a square. Fold it in half and shred it. This is the kinshi tamago. It means omelette likes golden thread. Next, make yakitori sauce. 50 cc soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, and put on high heat. Bring to a boil to remove alcohol, and turn off the heat. Mix 1 teaspoon of potato starch and 1 teaspoon of water, even cornstarch is okay. Add it into the sauce. Stir well and heat again over high heat. Cook until thickened with constant stirring. The reason for thickening is to make it easier for the sauce to get entangled. So this step is not necessary. If it gets too thick, dilute it a little with water. Izakaya Fuji opening soon. Put charcoal in the shichirin. Shichirin is a traditional Japanese barbecue grill. Ignite charcoal with a gas burner.
Fire!
Fan with a uchiwa to make a fire. It's still early to cook while the flames are burning. When the fire goes down, put the yakitori on the wire mesh.
Oh, welcome. Irashai. What do you drink? Saki? Okay. How was your day? I see. That was tough. Cheese? Ooh, there are many things in life. Let's drink alcohol today and forget what we don't like. And let's do our best tomorrow.
Turn it over from time to time and grill both sides evenly. Be careful not to burn the skewers. Grilling over charcoal removes excess fat. It also adds a nice aroma of charcoal grilling. It is one of the food cultures that Japan is proud of in the world. When the whole is browned, apply the sauce with a brush. Apply generously to the entire surface. The smell of burning sauce is very appetizing. Grill both sides quickly and it's done. 1 cup of rice. Shred omelette. Red pickled ginger. Pickled mustard. Put the yakitori on the rice. It's done.
Oh. This is Sumiyaki flavor. It's a Japanese taste. You can bake it in a frying pan or oven, so feel free to enjoy the yakitori. The sweet and salty taste goes well with rice. And the yakitori goes great with beer. Oh yes! It's a standard menu of izakaya. Hey, Roshai! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.